Hey everyone, welcome back to FreshenOPT Air Filter channel. Today we're changing the cabin air filter on a 2022 Ford Explorer. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. Step 1. Open the glove box. Detach the damper arm and gently push the glove box upward. Squeeze the inner sides of the glove box to release it, then lower it completely. You will now see the filter housing. Prepare a standard screwdriver and remove the screws on the housing cover, usually 2, one on each side. Press the tabs on both sides of the housing cover to unclip it, then open the filter housing. Pull out the old cabin air filter. You'll notice the old filter has very few folds, is made of thin material, and is extremely dirty. Insert the new cabin air filter, making sure the airflow direction arrow is aligned properly. Reinstall the housing cover, tighten the screws, lift the glove box back into place, and reattach the damper arm. Done! Your cabin air filter replacement is complete. Thank you for watching. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOPT.ca. Members save 10% for life plus free surprise kits. Link in description.